palms are sweaty, and I'm barely listening to last demands. I'm staring at the asphalt, wondering what's buried underneath. Where my badge? A vinyl sticker with big block letters adhere to my chest tells your new friends I am a visitor.